Welcome. This is the software as a service that I am making. You can automate your Twitter profile. Just make a list of tweets and edit the tweets, of course. And then you can upload them to your Twitter schedule, your agenda. Very, very handy. You can automate a lot of your Twitter profile. For example, make a good morning message to post every day to say good morning to your community. Just pick a list over here, give it a name, add a message, and say, hello everyone, #Cardano. And then you can save it to the list. Or if you don't like it, you can delete it. Of course, you can make a new list. You can delete the new list, of course, and then if you're happy with your list of tweets and you want to post from that list to Twitter, you upload it to your schedule. Select it from here, enter a start date to post from your list, select an end date, and for example, say like we want to post every day at 4 o'clock and 20 minutes in the morning. And maybe we also want to post every day on 8 o'clock. Only 4:20. Yes, and then of course, do you want the list to keep posting, or do you want the tweets from your list to only post once? And do you want the tweets to spread out over all the time slots that you've chosen, or do you want to use every time slot and just keep posting from the list until it runs out and start over again? So once are loops, and then you submit it and it will upload it to Twitter. Right now, the local state works almost completely. Just have figured this thing out. It's not that hard. Then I will implement the Twitter API, and I will set up a database and set up user authentication so you can make an account and you can save your lists and your data and your schedule data. Then I will link it up with Twitter, authenticate Twitter accounts so you can log in with your Twitter account and you can send the data to your Twitter. And then finally, I will implement the Stripe API for a payment provider so we can actually make this into a software as a service platform and start getting customers and start getting paid. And then when it's all done, you can see all your tweets in the schedule, of course. Very, very handy, very cool to me, at least. I'm very excited, and I will report back later when I have more functionality. Cheers.